So you're driving down the road, drinking your coffee, you hit that stop sign and the truck shuts off. It's really annoying, really bothering because you have to hit that button every single time. Well, I have the fix for you. So you saw my last video about Autostop Eliminators for the 2015 to 2020 F-150, where we took out the button, plugged in their adapter, and it shuts off that auto stop. Now they came out with a new thing where you just plug it into your OBD2 port. All you do, plug it in, and then you're done. It shuts that off, and you don't have to worry about it, and you just keep on driving. Now I'm going to show you how to install this Autostop Eliminator in our 2017 Raptor. So to install this eliminator, there's no tools needed. All you have to do is have the key off on the truck, plug it into the OBD2 port, and then your installation is complete. As you guys saw, Autostop Eliminators are super easy to install. If you're looking for more Autostop Eliminators or many other great parts for your F-150, go to cjponyparts.com.